everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window we will search about FBS and we click. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your